This is Harry Bakel, the sound of Australia, the voice off the street. Restrictions to Australians currently living in India coming back into the country. We've got so many people jumping up and down saying Scott Morrison is being a horrible human being by not allowing Australians overseas, mainly India at the moment, coming into Australia. Now, up till a couple of months ago, we had this COVID thing under control, and then these flights started coming in, and unless I'm mistaken, it always seems to be from overseas flights and hotel quarantine. And yet the do-gooders keep saying we've got to allow these Australians back into the country because it's unfair. Let's cut the bullshit. It's not only India, it's been going on for years where people migrated to this country, got a fair go, had a good go themselves and have done all right, but then decided to move back to their country of origin, their birth country. And now the shit's hit the fan. All of a sudden, we want to be Australian again. And if you look into the facts, you'll find that very few of these 40,000 Australians stranded overseas are tourists. They're people who have been living the high life on government pensions in other countries, their country of origin, although they're Australian. It's absolute bullshit, and it's about time the bullshit stopped and you left got on with more important things than this and stop letting the fact that you want 40,000 Australians to come back into this country however they can and jeopardise over 25 million of us. You fucking idiots. Wake up, Australia, before you go blind. This is Harry Bakel.